If you look at the back side of your handout, there is a sample agenda there. And what we're going to do is break down the agenda in order for you to understand how to put a meeting together. Now, you'll notice that on my slide, I am not addressing the very top part of the agenda. I am addressing the middle part because we're starting with the most important thing that you need to look at before you hold a meeting, and that is, what is the purpose or the objective? If you cannot succinctly state what the purpose or objective of the meeting is, should you have it? No. That meeting should not take place until you can fill out this line on the agenda, because the rest of the agenda is totally useless, and the meeting will be useless unless you can state what this is. What is the purpose? What is the objective of this meeting? How many of you have seen agendas where there's no purpose, no objective, no topic listed ever? I had to go to a lot of those. Oh my goodness, nothing ever got done. We could get so much more done if we didn't have to go to meetings unless they were designed with intention. So you want to list that purpose or that objective, be very clear. It should never be a paragraph long because nobody reads anymore. It should be one sentence. Doesn't even have to be a complete sentence. It can be a fragment, but there should be some kind of purpose or objective listed on there. Then, what you want to do is think about what topics do you need to cover during this meeting. And that's really going to depend on how long this meeting can be. If you have a 3-hour meeting, you can cover a variety of topics. If you only have a 30-minute meeting, that's not a whole lot of time. It's not like you can cover 10 different things and actually get something done. So you want to think about what's absolutely critical that you need to cover within that time frame.